Chin chin.
Okay, so hi. We are quarantined, so drinking a lot of wine. Trying a lot of new recipes or old recipes. This is one of my favorites, newly discovered. It is really simple, one pan, Brussels sprouts, some sausage. You can use Italian sausage or Italian spicy or sweet. And it has some potatoes, little like small gold Yukons are perfect. And I'm going to be using some Fustini's oils, olive oils to marinate. So let's get started. So since I just got a standard sausage, it has no spice or no sweetness to it, I thought I'd add a little kick. So I'm gonna go ahead and use Barbary Coast green chili oil. There we go. And then I'm going to do the Tuscan herb because this doesn't really have any herbs, this dish, but I thought it'd be nice to have a little bit of that herb flavor in it. So then we'll add maybe 2/3 of the oil of the Tuscan herb. So about 1/3 Barbary Coast chili and then 2/3 of this one. And you definitely want to marinate it quite a bit because you don't want it to dry out in the oven. We're gonna mix it, pretty simple. So almost make sure everything stays in the bowl. Some things are trying to escape. No, I'm not trying to insult anybody. There we go. Beautiful. It seems like it's all nicely coated. And then we'll do a little bit of salt. I'm gonna go ahead and do pepper. Looking beautiful. Yes, it's got that nice little glisten from the oil. There we go. Now we're just gonna start placing everything. I start with the sausages and then I surround them with the veggies. I wish I had a third arm because I would love to. I'm a multitasker. If I could drink wine and place these veggies down, that's my dream. I'm gonna let it cook for about 20 minutes. Great. So now we will flip the sausages. Slippery little suckers, like it's a quote from Pretty Woman. I'll mix together some honey and Dijon mustard. And we thought we'd try a little bit of the 12-year premium white balsamic vinegar from Fustini's. And I think we'll just do a teaspoon, a little flavor. Mix that up, it's so tasty. Okay, and then we will go ahead and drizzle this on. Drizzle that, a bit of that. And we're gonna pop it back in the oven for another 10 minutes, and then we should be good to go. And that looks beautiful, but smells even better. So excited. So this is our recipe. I'm about to plate it, serve it. We've got beautiful wine, great cooking essentials, friends, family, a crazy virus. Stay safe out there. But during this Fustini quarantini, what are you gonna give us? Give us a recipe using your oils and vinegars.